Welcome back. Thanks for tuning into the channel again. I have another video about making artwork for you this afternoon, and I hope the thunderstorm that's lurking outside stays quiet while I record this and we don't get any thunderclaps, because it's one of those days in Northern Virginia in early September. It could happen at any time. Anyway, today's work of art is called Peridot. It's one of 12 paintings that I developed in the Dutch pour fluid art style, and they are designed to mimic the colors of the 12 birthstones throughout the year. And those 12 birthstones align to 2 zodiac signs for each month, since the zodiac runs through about the 3rd week of the month. This one is for the month of August, the Peridot stone, and it's for the zodiac signs Leo and Virgo. I'm a Virgo, but I'm a September Virgo, so mine is sapphire. This artwork also serves the purpose of being photographed to create templates for the zodiac products that I promote, whether they're phone cases or encaustic photography. And also in its original form, bookshelf art. Bookshelf art is a nice portable format for the art. And what I will do with this video is I'll run through the ingredients. It's a very limited palette. They're mainly greens and golds. They have some of my secret ingredient in there, which is the pulverized metal powder emulsified in acrylic media. And that allows me to get a very shimmering effect in addition to the acrylic paints themselves. In the tutorial that I've put together after this introduction is finished, it goes through whose products these are and how I put them together, and then it shows you a sped up version of the process of blowing out the Dutch pour. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoy this. It's not a long video, maybe a few minutes overall, with a couple of minutes of introduction and closeout. And then I show you the formats of how the original art supports other ways that you can display this form of art in your space. Thanks again for tuning in, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Here you can see that I thought about starting first with one of the just basic acrylic paints, and I thought twice about that. I've had some challenges using these metallic powder emulsions before, where if I lay it on the upper layers of the paint puddles, it just seems to vanish below the white, and I didn't want that to happen. So what you'll see here in a moment is that I'm going to apply that down first, and then the other colors will go on top of it. Aside from the decision to make of where the metallic powder emulsions go down on the other colors, it's not so critical which shade of green goes down before the other shade of green. What I do try to do, though, is to achieve an effect of contrasting color values so that you get this good combination of highlights and lowlights. And also, with these Zodiac series, I want to try to achieve negative space out near the corners, and that's because when the template gets created after the photography, the images will go out in the corners, and obviously you want the colors and the painting abstract to show off in the middle, and then the other information on the template out toward the edges. And here's how the finished version of the little painting Peridot looks on its display easel. It's 5 by 5 inches, and then the close-up of the painting's details. Then a room mock-up showing how it would look on a real setting, and that's to scale, so you get an idea of how portable the bookshelf art really is. And lastly, a few of the ways that I use the foundation artwork, the abstract artwork, to support both the Zodiac series products as well as other prints that are possible. Here's the beginning of August, Leo, and the end of August, Virgo. And then you see another scene mock-up where it's showing a framed print, and that could be on a variety of materials, acrylic paper or metal or several. In a enlargement setting, this enlargement happens to be 3 times, which is the kind of the limit that I would stop at in order to not lose the clarity of the basic art itself. Welcome back, and thanks for watching through the remainder of this video. Peridot is a lot of fun to do, and it also serves several purposes, not only wall-size prints, but the bookshelf art. The bookshelf art was an idea I came up with having seen a couple of examples of it at art fairs, and some Etsy shops feature it as well. It occurred to me that not everybody has the wall space or the permission to place wall art up in their space, whether it's their office or their apartment. And the bookshelf art is much more portable, and it serves a need that lets people bring color into their space in an abstract form. And it also served my purpose in allowing me to have a format and a foundation for the Zodiac series templates, which are the basis for several kinds of products that I sell through my website and elsewhere. I hope you enjoyed this. As you saw, Peridot came together very quickly and without much drama at all. And it is one of a dozen bookshelf-size art pieces that I made based on the colors of gemstones. Unfortunately, I didn't video the making of all of these, only a few of them. And so I'll publish as many videos as I can about these paintings and let you see what my process is and how it's sometimes completely serendipity what you get out of it. Why do certain colors sink and other ones come to the surface? As you saw with the gold powder emulsion in this one, I put it down on the first layer and then put all the other paints on top of it, and shazam, it just really came out well. So again, I really enjoy making these and sharing what I do with you, and I do appreciate your attention and your audience, and I look forward to making more videos for you and continuing to bring my work to you. Thank you again. Bye.